everyone, it's Marilyn. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I hope to inspire you for your next DIY project. I needed a shoe rack for shoes that I constantly wear. I got a 12-inch 6-foot board and cut it in half. I found some oak strips from a door frame that still had dirt and shellac on it, and they're 1.5 inches wide. I cleaned up the wood by planing and sanding the strips and the 2-foot boards. I'm measuring the strips at 18 inches and 11.5 inches, and I will cut them using the miter saw. After cutting the strips, I now have 4 18-inch strips and 6 11.5-inch strips. Now it's time to put the side supports together, and I will be using 1.25-inch finish screws for all 10 strips. I first take the 11.5-inch strip and put it in between the two 18-inch strips and fasten it using the 1.25-inch finish screws. I then measure 4 inches from the bottom of the top screw and screw in an 11.5-inch strip between the two 18-inch supports. Now I'll measure 4 inches from the bottom to insert the 11.5-inch strip and secure that. I will then repeat the process for the remaining strips, and you should have a total of 2 sides. Now I'll round off the side using a 1/4 round bit. I first use a scrap piece to get the desired round over that I'm looking for. So it will look like this when completed. Then use wood filler to cover the screws. I will round off 3 sides of the side panels and 3 sides of the boards on both sides. I'm putting several layers of shellac on the oak sides. I'm putting stain and shellac on the boards. Now it's time to assemble the shoe rack. Using the finish screws, I screw in the top from the bottom of the strip into the board. Then screw in the second board underneath the bottom strip. The board should have a 1-inch overhang on both sides. There you have it, an easy DIY shoe rack for your home. Thanks for watching.